In this video, you will learn how to link your Facebook and Instagram social media accounts from your business portfolio to the NeuroQuantum artificial platform. Go to the left panel, select the social media menu, and then click on Log into Social Media. The following screen will appear, where you will select the Login with Facebook and Instagram button. Next, enter your login credentials. Follow the on-screen instructions and select your Facebook page, then your Instagram account. Once completed, choose the chatbot you want to link to these social media accounts. Next, click on the Set Up Facebook button, choose the Facebook page you want to configure, and click Set Up. For Instagram, follow the same process, click on the Set Up Instagram button, select the account, and press Set Up. To verify that everything has been successfully configured, go to the left panel, select the social media menu, and choose WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. Here, you'll see the linked accounts. You can also message these accounts directly and view the chatbot's responses. This way, your customers will receive 24/7 support while you focus on other tasks. Follow us on social media as NeuroQuantum Artificial.